Hello everyone, welcome to Iris Creation Limited, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy Tri-Fold Brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have to the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After create a page for a Tri-Fold brochure, go to the element from the frame. Let's take this round frame and adjust it on the right corner of the page, and for the frame from the element, let's search a picture. As we're designing a travel picture, so let's take this picture, and again from the element, let's take this round shape and adjust it behind the frame. Press Alt and copy the shape. Take another shape and adjust it like this. From the element, let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it all over the right corner and change the color in light blue and make it behind of all the element. And now adjust these shapes. Press Alt and copy the rectangle and adjust it on the middle section. Now take another round shape, adjust it on the corner of the right section like this, and make this a 3 copy, 1/1, overlapping the shape and create a colors like this. Now take another round shape, actually 2 round shape, and adjust it on the lower corner of the page and change the color and keep the transparency low. Now take a text box and type the code for this travel. Go where you feel the most alive and adjust it on this corner and make it uppercase and change the font style. Keep the line spacing in 1.2. Change the color in white. Now for the name, paste the name, and now from the element search travel logo, let's take this logo and make it smaller and adjust it on the corner over the shapes and adjust the name on the under the quote. Make the quote italic. Now move to the middle section and change the color in gradient. Make this blue gradient. Now take a text box and type the text. Okay, take it and just leave. And keep the line spacing 1.1. Now from the elements, search table and let's take this airplane icon and adjust it with the text. Now take a text box and type the contract. For the contract, here we're searching a location icon, phone icon and wave icon and adjust it one after one. Change the color in white, change the wave icon. Now take a text box and type the details. After adjusting all things, now move to the left corner and again let's take a round frame, and like before let's take a round shape too and give the color in blues. Let's search Bali and adjust the picture in the frame. From the email, let's search a curve and let's take this curve, and I think that's look okay, and delete the shapes and adjust it like this over the shapes and change the color in blue so that is maintain the content or a brand color. Now take a text box and type about us. Select the us and change the color in blue, and take this line and change the color in yellow and paste the dummy text. Keep the dummy text in both side alignment or justification and make them undercase and make them a light. Give them a pop-ins regular, and now I'll adjust all the things. Again select the us and change the color in light blue. Now move to the back page of the brochure and again search for a rectangle frame and adjust it all over the page. And now search a picture of a sea. Take this picture and now search irregular shapes. From the graphics, let's take this shape and adjust it all over the page. And now copy this shape and adjust it behind this and like this. Make the another shape in middle. Make the first shape color in white and others in blue. Now take this round frame and adjust it all three sections like this. Again, search the picture of Bali and adjust it all the frame and give a frame color in white. And now take the logo and adjust it on the middle. Take the name, give a outline effect on the name. Just change it with the packages, keep them, and now adding all the packages. All done, all the packages are added. Here it is a travel brochure for a travel agency. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like a logo design, flyer design, presentation design, page decks, or any other custom design, please contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Iris Creation Limited.